Kenny. What's jamming? It's your boy Dre. You hear me? This is one of them. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget to step on the notification. If you're real, ring that bell. Oh. What's jamming? It's your boy Dre. You hear me? This is one of them. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget to step on the notification. And if you're real, ring that bell. It's real wild fake on every scale. You hear me?
Yeah. For Dre. Young Stretch.
Ready
to follow. Maybe it's true. Okay, I pull up to the thing. Watch these bitches do. Maybe it's a follow. Maybe it's a true.
She see a nigga out here flexing. Got my name up on my necklace. And my name up on the flyer. So my name ain't on the guest list. I'm with some wild niggas. And we out here living reckless. Sipping on some syrup in Cali like we in Texas. St. Louis better pack your vests. New York better tuck your necklace. Chicago niggas hectic. Don't ever disrespect it. Or you can lose your life over this game just like a death wish. But I'ma keep my head to the sky. Receive these blessings.
Alright man, on today's video, I'm about to get my lights done. I told y'all I've been ready to get these lights done, so I'm about to get my underglow, my halos, my fog lights. Yeah, it's finally time, y'all. I'm here at Chino. I'm gonna talk to my boy and see what's going on, man. Let's see what's going on.
But I don't want to.
Man's right here. Boy Brandon, he does the light work. I'm gonna drop his link and everything below so y'all can go follow him.
A few moments later.
Alright, she came to get her fog light done. That shit took 2 seconds. The other one working, he just popped it on. Y'all seen the last video when he was down there messing with it. Took 2 seconds to be done, man. We're about to get it done.
Don't be recording this shit. Don't make sure you don't show him until he get the car.
Alright.
Oh, you get.
Let's get it. I'll try not to hit that, man. Got this long jump. That long thing, and I got another box. More stuff.
And my shit still ain't been shipped. And I don't understand it.
Oh. Can't wait, man, till this is done. I'm gonna miss you, babe.
The snorkel.
Oh, I like the snorkels a lot.
You like it?
I like it.
Oh my god, that's a bee. That's a bee. That's a bee. I'm the whole thug. I don't fuck with bees or the big ass black things.
Oh, the bumblebee. No?
Yeah, I can't stand it. I can't do it.
Oh, the one like a little with the little color?
Yeah.
Oh, the beetles. The beetles.
I'll run my ass off. I ain't running from nothing but that.
So you said it's gonna be all day event?
Yep.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be about 10 hours at least.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
So basically what that man's saying is you better use these lights till you can't use these lights.
Basically, man.
Yes, sir.
It's gonna be a hot ass day and it's gonna be a long ass day. Alright, you only got one strip?
No, it's the other one in there.
Okay. Alright, looks like we got everything.
I learned from the best.
Well, you don't. Is the underglow controller inside there too?
I called him like 500 times to figure out exactly what you needed.
Can you get a blade? A blade?
I might keep.
So I got 2 extra controllers.
I'll get it from you because I'm gonna need it.
Them the long strips.
That's for waiting, I think they gave you extra.
Probably.
Is that what it was? See?
Maybe.
See?
Hopefully they didn't charge you because you're not gonna need
Yeah, you
that.
should check your invoice on that.
He said because you're not gonna need that. Okay, come on, you the first thing.
Drag her.
Fine.
Drag her ass.
You didn't have to add all that other shit in there. Now watch him say something missing.
Oh, I hope
I
not.
hope not either.
Because we got
They
too much.
gave us a lot of parts.
More than you might. Well, you don't order none.
Up there's the strips.
You don't order none.
I think you told me. I'm not gonna.
No, it was just the
Okay,
agent based strip.
2. Okay.
All right.
That's pretty much everything. Do we have everything? And
Yeah.
or we have more than enough?
You guys got some extra stuff. And you got an extra controller.
Nah, I'm saying, so there you go.
So I can use it for mine.
Yeah, cause that's the one you don't
So
like.
now
That's
what
the
do I do?
fan of one you
Just
don't like.
order the,
You need the power cord.
that's it.
Yeah. Other than that,
That's you.
pretty much a complete kit right there.
So, and then this is what the undercarriage too?
No, that's not.
This is inside? Oh, I got all the lights inside. I don't need
Mhm.
this.
Yeah, this is either you're doing blue ghost or you're doing this one for the underglow.
Okay, so I'm gonna just hold these in case some go out. Thank you.
You ordered it. Thank yourself.
I was trying to make sure you had everything you needed. Dang.
You did. I appreciate that.
Don't kill me for being.
So we got 2 strips. We're gonna put them both on the engine bay. On the
Is
grill,
anything
right?
gonna be through there? I wanted something. to pop. Is it gonna
It
pop?
should have been here and here.
Okay, so
Or 1, 2, 3. I need
so
3 different strips.
usually what you do is you have one that lights up here, one that lights up here, another one that lights up there, and then one that lights up in the engine bay. But you have 2 strips, so you're gonna have to decide where you want them.
I want this one. I want that one for sure.
Okay.
And I wanted them to. I ain't really worried about the engine bay because ain't nothing in my engine.
So now, do you want the top or you want the bottom?
Hmm.
I may have another strip.
I was gonna
If
say,
you
so
do,
why,
please,
if that's the
please,
whole
help
thing,
me.
why didn't it come with the other strip? Because that's the kit.
No, the kit is you buy each strip.
Each
individually.
strip. That's what I wanted to make sure they did.
But what, you know how it says add a second strip?
Yeah.
I did the add a second strip,
So
but
that's why you got 2 strips.
oh fuck me running.
So you would have to buy another one.
No, but I did. He got an engine bay kit and a fucking grill kit.
Oh, then you're missing some strips.
Oh yeah, because I'm like no, and they sent us. They didn't put none of that shit in there in the beginning. They back.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have time for it. All right, come on, let's get it.
I'm so mad. That is so fucking sick. That shit is new.
You gotta make sure you get it in there. You gotta see it.
That shit. Oh, they see the STL in that motherfucker. They see that.
Two-face killer, go gorilla for the bag. That boy be a pussy, kill the vibe, he a drag. Autobiography gon' look like a brag. Let's get to the money, I'm on PT dirty ass.
This how it's gonna happen.
I'm wildin' and styling my thousand on thousand on thousand on thousand. I'm wildin' and styling my thousand on thousand on thousand on thousand. I'm wildin' and styling my thousand on thousand on thousand on thousand.
Let's get this channel going so we can start doing stuff.
Woo.